everyone, Mark here with Promevo TV, and today I wanted to share with you some easy Chromebook features that you may not know how to perform. Today, I'm talking about how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. There are two ways to do this, and if you're worrying that this is going to be hard, let me assure you that it will be super easy, barely an inconvenience. First, we're going to find something that we want to screenshot. I personally like to use a cute picture of an animal or something embarrassing a friend wrote online, but you can use it for anything that is on screen. Then we have to decide which way we want to go. Do we want to screenshot the entire page, or do we want to screenshot a specific section of that page? If we want to screenshot the entire page, simply press the Control key and the Windows switch key together, and that's this little guy right here. And it'll take a screenshot for you. See that down there? There's your notification for proof. Do you only want to capture a small portion of your friend's embarrassment? In that case, instead press the Control key, the Shift key, and the Windows Shift key together, and you'll notice that your cursor turns into a little target. You can now click and hold with your mouse or trackpad button to select the area that you want to screenshot. Releasing the mouse button takes the screenshot of the area that you've selected. So here's a pro tip: do not release your mouse button until you are satisfied with the area that you've selected. Are you curious as to where your file went? Don't be. It's conveniently located inside of your Files app on the Chromebook, and it's even labeled as a screenshot with the time and date of when the screenshot was created. Super helpful. Hey, for those of you still watching, remember, Promevo is a Google Premier partner and your holistic solution provider for all things Google. To learn more, visit Promevo.com through the link I provided down below. In the meantime, what other basic tasks do you not know how to do and maybe are too embarrassed to ask? Let me know publicly in the comments. I'd love to do a video on it for you. Thanks so much for watching.